with joint chess activity in Ankara in Turkey?
Who is the first female international chess champion in Turkey? A. Cahit Arf. B. Nilüfer Çınar Çorlu. C. Gülümser Yılmaz. D. Betül Cemre Yıldız. Which one?
Nilüfer Çınar Çorlu. In 1993, she played Turkey's first women international master in the zonal tournament held in Greece. Okay, what is the relationship between chess and mathematics?
Both can be treated as a set of formal rules. At each stage in a proof or chess game, there is a set of operations that can legally be applied. It is easy to see what these operations are. Example, move a bishop along a diagonal or add x to both sides. And everyone can come to an agreement about whether the last operation was legal or not. In both systems, there is a set of victory conditions, checkmate or a complete proof a proposition. In both, the players sometimes use brute force search, sometimes use teachable but hard to formalize skills, and sometimes use intuition to decide their next moves.
We went to Natural History Museum in Ankara.
Which of the following is not the object of the trip to the Natural History Museum? A. Observing the evolutionary process of living things during geological periods. B. To look for mathematical traces in natural history and to establish relationships. C. To learn about living and non-living natural beings in Turkey. D. Get information about mathematical sciences.
The purpose of the trip to the Natural History Museum is observing the evolutionary process of living things during geological periods, to look for the mathematical traces in natural history and to establish relationships, to learn about living and non-living natural beings in Turkey, but get information about mathematical sciences is not.
Okay. Make a virtual tour by visiting the Natural History Museum site. You share 5 factors that draw your attention to the virtual tour result you made.
After a journey into deep space and the planets of the solar system in the ground floor, while walking up to the first floor, we see how to the Earth and life is changed during 4.5 billion years from the formation of the Earth. The fossils of the invertebrate section display the transition from unicellular to multicellular life. In the vertebrate section, fossils of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and birds are on display with various mammalian fossils. We can also observe the specimens of the extinct gigantic hornless rhinoceros Placotherium, the largest land mammal now, which lived 25 million years ago. We meet the mollusks of the
Make a virtual tour by visiting the Natural History Museum site. You share 5 factors that draw your attention to the virtual tour result you made.
After a journey into the deep space and the planets of the solar system in the ground floor, while walking up to the first floor, we see how to the Earth and life has changed during 4.5 billion years from the formation of the Earth. The fossils of the invertebrate section display the transition from unicellular to multicellular life. In the vertebrate section, fossils of fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and birds are on display with various mammalian fossils. We can also observe the specimens of the extinct gigantic hornless rhinoceros Placotherium, the largest land mammal now, which lived 25 million years ago. We meet the mollusks of the between 155 million years old carnivores, dinosaurs, Allosaurus rex, 154 million years old herbivores, dinosaurs, Brachiosaurus, and Hatmul of the 67 between 65 million years old gigantic carnivores, dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus rex. In the Turkish mining history section, 164 specimens and the Iraqi section of a 2000 BC copper miner are on display. 6 different numbers are selected among 100 numbers from 1 to 100. Find these numbers, which are 220 in total and include number 7 in each. Which are 6 different numbers? First number is 7. Second number is 17. And I'm found!
Place the numbers from 1 to 7 in 5 circles so that the sum of the 3 numbers on the corners of the 5 triangles shown in bold is the same. Write the numbers which you have placed in the 3 circles at the bottom from left to right as an answer. 5 2 4 and 6 3 7 and 1. I'm found.
thank you for listening. See you later.